Yo, what's up guys, it's Anthony. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be demoing off the smaller version of Paradise right here. It's a 200 gram cake. This is how it looks. Here's the performance. Red tail to brocade with white strobe. Red tail to brocade with crackling. These are, this is an 8-shot cake. So yeah, I'll be right back with the demo. Alright. Paradise 200 gram version. Here we go. Oh, that one was nice. That's Paradise 200 gram version 8-shot. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. A lot more content.